Hello and welcome to issue 53 of the 8K Monitor newsletter. I'm Bob Raikes and I'm here with some highlights from the issue. I joined the team behind the 8K Monitor just before issue 50, so I thought it'd be fun and interesting to look back over the news from the last year. I picked out 21 highlights, and if you're interested in 8K, a look through those highlights or dig into some of the articles will give you a real sense of how much work is going on to create content, deliver it and display it in all its 8K glory. Intel recently announced the Arc GPU, its latest initiative to develop a discrete GPU. One of the features is it's the first GPU to have hardware encoding of AV1 codec. Why is that important? Because better codecs compress the data for video much more efficiently, using less bandwidth to transmit, but they tend to be trade-off in complexity. The hardware decoding and encoding should really help with that, especially in 8K. Intel's also added hardware for AI-based video processing, and that'll help as that feature is becoming more important. It can also harness the power of both a discrete and an integrated GPU to help with video processing. Chris has dug into an intriguing announcement about work by Evoca TV, which is helping to develop the ATSC 3.0 next-gen TV standard and technologies. Using a feature that's built into the standard, it's demonstrated that it can send almost double the video data within a single broadcast channel using polarized antennas. Next, it's going to develop the receivers and decoders. So doubling the bandwidth along with better codecs should really help deliver in premium video experiences like 8K or better color. It also occurred to me that this kind of technology could exploit the various schemes that have been developed to use enhancement layers. So you send a basic 4K or Full HD layer and then send enhancement data to convert to 8K or to add more colors or other video features. In other news, display industry analyst DSCC published a blog with an interesting forecast about mini LED LCDs like Samsung's Neo QLED sets. DSCC believes that these will be the main way that 8K gets delivered to the viewer. We also talk about a Brazilian soap opera that can be viewed in 8K on Samsung TVs with the Globo Play app. And finally, server and playout specialist Spin Digital will be showing how it can do live transcoding of 8K at this week's NAB event.